Michelle is a solo senior nomad who survived the devastation of Hurricane Helene in this van. She's been through a lot in her life, a lot of trauma. She's come a long way. Now we're going to tour her amazing new van and witness her new outlook on life. Hey, Michelle.
Hey, Jan. Good to see you again.
You too. This is new.
Yes.
Oh boy, I can't wait to see all of this. So,
thank you. It's my 2007 Ford E250 Super Duty. It's a former limo.
oh, nice.
Yes.
So I bet it rides nice. They would they would make sure the suspension was right, wouldn't they?
Yes. It has a more ride suspension, independent suspension system, so it rides really good.
How long have you had it?
I bought it on November 7th.
Oh, so it's still new to you.
Yes,
oh,
it is.
great. Well, let's go see what's in there.
Alrighty, come on in.
I have this on Zoom here, so I want to show them how big this is. Look at the room there is there. Yay! And you can stand up?
I can. I'll have to take my phony pony off.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Look how big this thing is. So you're going to have to show me. I'm going to zoom in a little more so we can see some details. And tell me about what you've got in here.
Okay, I forgot to tell you it is extended, so we have that extra, I think 18 inches on the back. I am a huge tea drinker, so I set myself up a tea bar right here. This is a 450 watt appliance that I got from Walmart.
What's the name of it?
This is Nostalgia brand. It's a hot chocolate warmer. It's a frother, and it warms milk, water, liquids, and it also has a frothing feature to it.
Nice.
I love chai latte. There used to be a row of 3 seats here. I had the seats removed and I bought a mattress. It's an 8-inch foam mattress that I got from Costco for $150. It's super comfortable. And then I put you'll see there's AC and heating under there. So here's the vents for all of that. Mattress, and then a comforter that I got from Amazon. The blanket that I just love, I got it for $8.99 from Home Goods clearance.
Nice.
Yes, it's great. It's great. And here's a blanket I've had for many years. Years ago I had it monogrammed with my initials in it. One day it will be a gift to my granddaughter. And I had it cut down to 30 inches. That's all the space that I need. I'm a side sleeper and it works perfectly. It's 30 inches wide by 65 inches long maybe. And it fits perfect. I love it. I've got a space under here that's maybe it's about 12 inches wide, and it's the length, and I stuff shoes in there. And I love pillows, so I have my pillows. I've got it backwards. And then I put these fairy lights up with the greenery. I think greenery makes it homey.
And this beautiful table was here before, right?
It was.
And what would they have used that for?
So
in a limo?
This was under here, I guess maybe the keyboard. So I'll use that
yeah,
for
desk. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it really was a bar then for a real live limo.
Yes, yes. This was a cooler, so it has a drain hole in there. I am somehow, at some point, it had a door. I took the door off while I figure out my water sink system. I'm using collapsible sink and water things for now, but there's a drain hole already there, so eventually I'm going to get a regular sink and water kind of set up, so it's great that that's already there.
That's a fancy table.
It is.
And fancy curtains. You've got it really decorated nice. That's part of the limo that was there originally.
It is. This is the controls for the heater, the lights, AC, heat, different lights. Mood are these here. There's light strip there and a light strip above. There's light strip under there. And then the floor lights are the ones down here.
Oh, you got lights all over the place.
I do. I do. I bought some light bulbs for here. I was hoping to get the LED lights in for this video, but I couldn't get the light bulbs out.
Oh, it's all right. They're nice and soft. They look nice.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, and is that a built-in cabinet here?
No, I bought that from IKEA. Yes, I bought it from IKEA. It's actually a shoe storage.
But it fits there so nice.
Yes, yes. And I put one on the other side.
All right, back there.
Yes. And I just store kitchen things in there. And
I see you've got water down there.
I do.
And a refrigerator. Is that a 12 volt or is that an ice chest or what is that?
It's a 12-volt refrigerator. It's stuffed right now more than it should be, but it's... And then the freezer side.
Oh, I like having two sections. That's
yes.
nice.
I like that it's actually... Let me do it from this side. It's actually walled instead of a... Some of them have a a partition. I feel like it probably works better.
And I see you have one of those nice little dehumidifiers.
It's great. It doesn't have to be plugged in to work, but like you said, when it's time to refurbish, you just plug it in, maybe about 30 minutes or so, and then you're good to go again. This is my art supplies.
What kind of artwork?
Good segue into what's been happening. These are markers and paint for rock painting.
Oh, yeah.
My sister, after the flood in Asheville, I lost all of my artwork and I needed something kind of quick and compact, and so she sent me all these different markers and paint and a bag of rocks, little carousel to put the rocks on.
Oh, nice.
And a nice container. I put that there yesterday.
Yeah?
I did. I got tired of my shoes on the floor and I thought, this is wood and it's screwed into a wood, what are those things called? A furring strip. There's a wood furring strip back here. And
so it's solid.
It is.
You got this nice little cabinet here. Is this one you had before?
No.
Or no?
This is IKEA. They come with just the 4 cubes, and then they have these accessories. So the baskets are actually Walmart. And then these drawers we put together to, so I can have drawers and then cabinet doors because I didn't want everything exposed.
That is an ottoman?
It is, and it has storage. I got that from a thrift store just last weekend for $8.
Oh, how nice. Look how perfect it fits in there.
Yes, and I thought,
Oh my gosh.
it's got this black trim on the bar and in other places, and I thought, this will work good.
Yes. And this is another matching cabinet to over there, just like it.
Yes, yes.
Very nice.
Thank you. This one I had in the other van. It's also an IKEA utility cart.
Like a kitchen utility cart.
Yes, yes.
It's a beautiful ceiling.
Thank you. I keep the storage on this side. I have my clothes and girly things, and in that gold bucket, soaps and shampoos and all that type of thing on top.
Oh, that's your girly things in there.
Yes.
Okay.
2 cabinets up there, right above you.
Oh, more storage. Up under there, nice. And another TV, right?
Yes.
Wow. It's got 2 TVs in here and a sound system.
I do. It's great. I'm actually a big salad eater. Salad, fruits, tuna. I like to make tuna sandwiches, chicken salad. I cook outside when I come to the meetups, but usually I'm not really an outside cooker. And then look at this. I pulled this from JJ's deck.
What's it say? Read it to him.
What's one thing you are grateful for? And then look at the back. Because I am blessed AF.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. It was so perfect. So, just so moving. None of my adult life have I had a birthday. This is due to childhood trauma. I never wanted to celebrate my birthday. I just didn't. After I survived that, I said, I'm going to have a 61st birthday party, and I'm going to have my camping friends. I am celebrating, embracing my life. I appreciate my life. I'm going to do all the cool, fun things, and I'm going to live. I am going to live like this is going to be great, Great days are here. They're here now.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.